Everyone separates laundry, but that means double the washing time. What if there's only time to do one load? Do I have to wash colours and whites together? Now you can wash 2 loads at the same time with LG TWINWash. One load goes in the main washer, another in the TWINWash Mini. Blue jeans and white shirts, outerwear and underwear, dad's clothes and baby's clothes, and weekly wash and daily wash. Whatever the combination, TWINWash lets you wash them both separately at the same time. Use the main washer for bigger loads that need powerful washing. Use TWINWash Mini for thoroughly washing special care items. Both loads finished in 49 minutes with no waiting for one load to finish. Choose what combination of laundry you want done at the same time. Less effort spent and more time for you and your family. Wash and spin 2 loads at the same time. Don't wait to wash clothes that should be washed right away. You also don't want delicates getting damaged by your more rugged normal laundry. Nor do you want to mix your dirty clothes with your baby's clothes. Wash these special items separately in the TWINWash Mini without worrying about wasting energy and time. Wave Force is a washing motion designed for washing the most delicate items thoroughly without damage. Combined with 2 more washing motions, the TWINWash Mini can wash all your special care items deeply and gently. These washing motions are powered by TWINWash Mini's reliable direct drive motor. You need to ensure that your loved one's clothes are uncompromisingly clean. That's why the main washer has TruSteam to remove 99% of house dust, mites and allergens using only steam generated from 100% pure water. TruSteam has its own dedicated water source for creating steam instead of using laundry water. The steam softener cycle makes fabrics plush and soft after washing without any artificial softeners. Clean clothes can sometimes get musty and wrinkled. Instead of washing them all over again, use the steam refresh cycle to get rid of odors and smooth out wrinkles using the power of TruSteam. Give your laundry a deeper clean in faster time with TurboWash. A conventional wash cycle rinses by repeatedly immersing clothes fully, then draining. With TurboWash's combination of water circulation with filtration motion and quick soaking jet spray, washing time can be reduced to 49 minutes without sacrificing washing performance. That's a lot faster wash with less energy and water use. So now you can get your laundry done quickly and thoroughly. LG's inverter direct drive motor attaches directly to the drum for better control, power and stability, enabling up to 6 precise washing motions. These motions are used in combination to give proper care for any type of clothing. And if you're in a hurry, use the speed wash cycle for laundry that's done in 14 minutes. The direct drive motor's durability is backed by a 10-year warranty. When your wash is done, how do you want to dry your clothes? Dryer and washers use a combination of warm air and cold water condensation for drying. However, Eco Hybrid gives you another choice, the option to reduce water consumption by only using air drying. Time-saving normal drying or water-saving Eco mode. You win either way. Your busy life leaves little time for sticking around for the laundry to finish. That's why SmartThink Q lets you control your washer with your smartphone from anywhere. Set a wash cycle and press start, or schedule a time. Have your clean clothes ready for when you get home with SmartThink Q. You can check energy and water use to keep yourself informed. You can also download specialized washing and drying cycles to send to your washer. Troubleshooting doesn't have to be a hassle with Smart Diagnosis. Simply use your phone to diagnose problems. No hassles, just answers. You always find clothes you needed to wash after you start the laundry. Do you have to wait till the next time, or do you have to stop the cycle mid-wash and start all over? Neither. With that item, just press a button to add clothes to your wash cycle. Even big items can be added quickly and easily. Now that's how it should be done. Time-saving, customized care for all your laundry needs. LG TWINWash. Wash and spin 2 loads at the same time.